How to enable and disable auto brightness in iPhone. In this tutorial, we will be going on a step-by-step process to enable and disable the auto brightness. First up, we go to settings and search up accessibility option, which you can find down there as you can see on the screen. Click on accessibility and then look for display and text size. Here you need to scroll a little down, and while you see an auto brightness option at the end, as you can see is highlighted in the screen that the auto brightness option is right there, and turning it on means that the auto brightness function is enabled, while turning it off means that the auto brightness function is not enabled anymore. So let us enable our auto brightness, and this way you can enable and disable the auto brightness function of the iPhone. We hope this tutorial helped you. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.